down to Kat's Kitchen. We're going to make another delicious smoothie. So 4 ingredients. So we get some mango. You can use frozen mango if you want, but I am using Lakewood organic mango blend. I'm going to use some coconut milk. This was refrigerated, so it's nice and cold. 1 frozen banana. Never need to have ice cream, right? Because this is far better, more nutritious. So, and then it's just the skin peels away from it. See how fast and easy that is? So this takes you, what, a minute to make this smoothie? So, and 30 seconds or so to blend it. There we go. So that's done. We are ready. So let's go ahead and put that in. Not too high. Yummy. And it's okay to have a few chunks in there, chunks of banana. You can unplug it. And let's do the taste test. Oh, look at that. And you can make it thicker if you had the frozen mango. Be thicker. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's just as good as the last batch. Alright, I'm going to post the recipe for you. You got the video. Alright, ta-ta everyone.